insurance is a lot like needing a parachute. If it isn't there the first time, chances are you won't be needing it again. Sir, I think you misunderstood. Your $1 million umbrella policy only covers you for claims involving an umbrella. Buy our new fire and theft insurance policy. Only covers you if your house is burning while you're being robbed. I was in the prospect's office the other day and he told me, "You ought to feel highly honored. I've had my secretary turn away 7 insurance brokers so far today." I said, "Yeah, I know. I'm all of them."